Hey Mandi maniacs! So I got this for Christmas and I thought, hey, I want to unbox it and see how it looks, and I thought while we do that, I might as well do a review of it. So, let's see. Oh no, I have a feeling it's gonna need, I should be able to find one of those like plugs. It's probably a USB, I'm thinking most of these are. I just need to buy like a ton of those wall plug things. Yeah, it's got a remote. It's definitely one of those. So this is what the remote looks like. Pretty standard remote. I'll show you guys. I have quite a lot of those remotes for various different, my LED lights and my ceiling lights. Yeah, I have quite a lot of those. So let's check this out. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, it looks so crystally. I don't know which side goes up, which side goes down. Okay, yep, that's what I thought it would probably be. So we'll need a plug. All right. That side definitely goes down. Oh, interesting. You touch it, and that's how it does it. So it's like partially pre-charged. That's cool. Look at you guys. It looks so cool. Look at those rings. Oh my gosh. I'm going to quick go make it dark in here, and then we'll see how really awesome it is. Okay, it's not perfectly dark in here, but it's pretty close. Look at how beautiful that is, you guys. I love how it casts those like rings. That's really neat. I've actually seen other people do reviews on these, and some were really silly, like they used fake filters and stuff, and I'm like, no, it's not doing that. That's silly. So I'm like, I kind of want to do an honest review so you guys can see what it looks like. Those, I'm guessing, are probably paid reviews. All right, let's check out the remote. All right. It's kind of neat as it slowly cycles through the colors. Okay. Then you can dim it. See? Make it go dim. Or you can make it more bright. Or no, that's weird. The dimmer and brightener just change color. Interesting. It must be its brightest, maybe? Let's see. Oh no, it goes dimmer and brighter. I see. It was just the mode it was on. It is so cool. Honestly, the colors are way more stunning on the light than they are on, what do you call it, on the phone for some reason. The color isn't as intense. It doesn't really come through. So look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. I love how it casts those like beautiful circles. Like, it reminds me of water ripples. It is so pretty. I was gonna have it like right here in the corner. That was my plan with it. But I'm like, you don't get to see its full beauty quite as much, do you? As if I moved it away a bit. That is so beautiful. So you guys, there it is. That is what it looks like. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really impressed with it. I love it. So it was a great Christmas gift, and I think it's a really awesome little lamp. It's pretty cool. So it comes a little pre-charged, so you can check it out before you hunt for a wall plug. So I'm really happy about that because I don't know where I have one that is not in use. So that is beautiful. Super beautiful. So, okay, I get it. You just charge it. You don't have to have it plugged in. Yeah, that took me longer than it should. Oh gosh. So, that is very cool. It is super beautiful. And you can either use the remote to change it, or if you lose the remote, you're still good. You got that. So that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please hit that like button and remember to follow or subscribe. Bye.